Hello and welcome to my 11 plus maths problem solving sessions. The question today is, in the triangle shown below, each number is a sum of two numbers directly underneath it. For example, 26 is 12 plus 24, and 12 is 7 plus 5, 14 is 7 plus 7, 5 is 1 plus 4, 7 is 3 plus 4, and 7 is 3 plus 4. So I think we all get the idea here. So now complete the triangle of numbers. So they have given us only 5 numbers. The top and the second row is blank. So this is quite straightforward if we start from the bottom, because they've given us 7, there is 5, so 5 plus what is 7, so 5 plus 2 is 7, and then the rest all fall in place. 2 plus what is 8, 2 plus 6 is 8, 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 8 is 15, 7 plus 8 is 15, again 7 plus 8 is 15, and 15 plus 15 is 30. So that way we can get this done. Next one is a little bit complicated. Complete the triangle of numbers, because they have left this third row blank, and they have also left the last row. There are two blanks, so we really don't know, and it could be any number. Of course, below 54. What we know is the numbers have to be less than 54. Here, uh, this part, the numbers in this part have to be less than 54, and here we know very easily that it's a very straightforward, that this is 47, so 54 plus 47 is 101. So numbers here will be less than 47, but we don't know which number. So there is, I have a way of doing it. It may not be the best way, and more, or a very clever way. Maybe you all have better and clever ways of solving it, but this is how I'm going to do it. Is I'm going to assume that this number is A, this number is B, and this number is C, and I'm going to solve for A, B, and C. Now that's I don't need to solve for all of them. It will be enough if I can solve one of them, but then that will give me the clue to the rest of the numbers. So I can say here, so my equations will be, I know that A plus B equals 54. I also know that 12 plus C equals A. And I also know that C plus 8 equals B. Now all I have to do is solve these three. So what I'm going to do is, instead of A and B, I can put in the 12 plus C and C plus 8. So then what I will write is, instead of writing A, I write 12 plus C plus C plus 8 instead of B equals 54. So 2C equals 54 minus 12 minus 8, that is minus 20, and that equals 4 minus 0 is 0. Oh, sorry. 4 minus 0 is 4. 5 minus 2 is 3, 34. So C is 17. So once I know C is 17, the rest of it should be easy. Let me see. So if I put in 17 here, what happens? So if I put in 17 here, I get 12 plus 17 is 9 and 29. And 54 minus 29 is 9 and 5 is 14, 4 minus 2 is 2, so it's 25, and 17 plus 8 is 25, so we are correct, and 47 minus 25 is 2 and 2, 22, and 8 plus 14 is 22, so this is solved. I think this is how we're going to do it. So we get 101, we have 54 plus 47 is 101, we have 12 plus 17 is 29, and we have 17 plus 8 is 25, and then 8 plus 14 is 22. So I think it all adds up nicely, and this is done. So I'm going to erase this bit so the sheet looks a bit cleaner. Looks like we have answered our questions. Indeed we have. Well, that's it. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you. Bye.